GLE 10 Cookery Quarter 2 Module 3 Cook Variety of Vegetable Dishes. Learning Objectives. At the end of this module, you are expected to name variety of Filipino vegetable dishes. Number 2. Write the appropriate sauces and accompaniments for serving vegetable dishes. 3. Cook vegetable dish with its sauce and accompaniments, and value the importance of cooking vegetable dishes using appropriate sauces and accompaniments. Content Standard. The learners demonstrate an understanding in preparing and cooking vegetable dishes. Performance Standard. The learners independently prepare and cook vegetable dishes. Lesson 1. Variety of vegetable dishes. Vegetables are either plants or parts of the plants consumed by human beings or some of the animals as food. They are rich sources of essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients needed by our body to function well. In cooking vegetable dishes, you need to consider the methods of cooking to be used as well as its sauces and accompaniments. The following are samples of Filipino vegetable dishes: suited mung beans, ginisang munggo, braised mixed vegetables, pakbet, banana heart in coconut milk, puso ng saging sa gata, suited pechay with ground pork, ginisang pechay na may giniling, Filipino chop suey. Lesson 2. Sauces and accompaniments for serving vegetables. Sauces are liquid or semi-liquid mixtures added to enhance food flavors that are served as a part of the meal or dish. The addition of a sauce to a dish can be used to alter the overall presentation of a dish by adding flavor, moisture, richness, and visual appeal. Sauces come in variety of different styles and consistencies. They can be thick or thin, rich and creamy, or light and delicate. Accompaniments are complementary additions to the main ingredient of a meal. Accompaniments are typically things like vegetables and side salads, but they also include sauces and relishes. Sometimes, the accompaniment also comes with a garnish of its own. Remember, as a cook, you should know how to prepare appropriate sauces and select accompaniments that will fit certain vegetable dish. Below are the sample vegetables and vegetable dishes with their suitable sauces and accompaniments. Vegetables: asparagus, broccoli, Brussels sprouts. Sauces: cheese sauce, made by adding an amount of cheddar cheese to white sauce and then spiced using mustard, Worcestershire sauce, and pepper. Accompaniments: grated cheese, usually Parmesan cheese. Variety of vegetables including potatoes and carrots. Sauce: persil, mixture of parsley chopped together with seasonings including garlic, herbs, oil, and vinegar. Accompaniment: parsley and other greens like arugula. Vegetables like beans, cauliflower, potatoes, and carrots. Sauce: Italian or tomato sauce, made with olive oil, onion, sweet carrot, garlic, canned fresh tomatoes, fresh basil, tomato paste, oregano, and red pepper flakes. Accompaniments: melted butter and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Vegetables like tomatoes, potatoes, eggplant, carrots, zucchini, mushrooms. Sauce: glazing, water, sugar, and butter. Accompaniment: the sauce or the glaze itself. Vegetable dishes. Suited mung bean. Sauces. Fish and oyster sauce. Accompaniments. Fried pork chunks. Vegetable dish. Stuffed eggplant. Sauce. Demi-glaze. Brown sauce and beef stock. Accompaniment. The sauce and parsley. Braised mixed vegetables, pakbet. Sauce. Fish sauce, tomato sauce. Accompaniments, fried rice, fried pork. Suited pechay. Sauce, oyster sauce. Accompaniment, ground pork. Vegetable dish, banana heart in coconut milk. Sauce, coconut cream sauce. Accompaniment, shelled shrimps, fried pork.